This one is an avulsion located at the back palmar area, and it was caused by the victim being drugged. This one is laceration located at the right middle antebrachial area, caused by impact with a hard object like window glass. This is an incision wound. It is located at the right middle front of the femoral area, and the cause of the injury is being cut by a sharp knife.
This one is abrasion, located at the right side vocal area. The cause of injury is biting of eardrum. This one is puncture, located at the right upper brachium. The cause of the injury is needle picking. This one is contusion, located at the left lower antebrachium. The cause of the injury is forcible pulling of victim hand.
Go.
This one is gunshot, located at the left lower abdomen. The cause of the injury is gunshot.